Browserless lets you run headless browsers in production without the maintenance. Your Puppeteer and Playwright scripts stay the same. You just swap one line of code. Over 13,000 GitHub stars, 173 million Docker pulls, 8 years in production, and trusted by 2,000 plus teams including Microsoft, Heroku, and CVS Health. The problem: your code runs fine locally but scale to 100 concurrent sessions and everything breaks. Chrome crashes, memory leaks, bot detection blocks you, queue overflows. Browserless solves all of this. Here is how it works. Comment out your Puppeteer.launch call, switch to Puppeteer.connect with a WebSocket endpoint pointing to chrome.browserless.io. That is it. One line change. Browserless gives you 3 ways to use it. Browsers as a service for existing Puppeteer and Playwright code with WebSocket connections. REST APIs for one-shot tasks like screenshots, PDFs, and smart scraping with built-in anti-bot bypass. And BrowserQL, a query language for new projects with stealth and conditional logic. The free plan gives you 1,000 runs per month with no credit card. Paid plans start at $25 a month for 20,000 units. Enterprise supports self-hosting GPU configuration, SSO, and dedicated infrastructure. Browserless also integrates with AI agents through the Model Context Protocol. Give Claude Desktop Cursor or VS Code the ability to browse the web, scrape pages, take screenshots, and run custom browser code. It works with LangChain and 8N browser use and make. Stop debugging Chrome at 2 a.m. Use Browserless.